So now dear students, it is time to discuss the next topic, that is the particles of matter are constantly moving. इससे पहले हम लोग एक्टिविटी 1 में देख लिए थे, जैसे we have shown that potassium permanganate crystals when we added in water it dissolved in water giving the pink color solutions. It means that crystal dissolve due to the fast moving tiny particles of water. इसे कहने मतलब जो फास्ट मूविंग टाइनी पार्टिकल्स ऑफ वाटर हैं वो कंस्टेंटली स्ट्राइक किया पोटासियम परमैंगनेट क्रिस्टल को, एंड एज ए रिजल्ट पोटासियम परमैंगनेट क्रिस्टल स्टार्ट टू स्प्रेड एंड स्कैटर थ्रू एंटायर दैट beaker, producing the pink color solution. Similarly, here we shown that movement of pollen grains in water. Exactly why pollen grains started to move or just move here and there in a zigzag path when these were added in a beaker of water. तो इससे भी प्रूव होता है, means the particles of matter are constantly moving. So pollen grains were continuously and constantly struck and hit by the fast moving water molecules. Number 2, we can see that dust particles in our room. Suppose when a ray of sunlight enters in your room, at the time what happens? If your room is dusty and when you just broom, उस समय तुम झाड़ू लगाए हो, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग उस लाइट में देख सकते हैं tiny particles flying apart in the air. Exactly, these dust particles are constantly struck and hit by the fast moving air particles or the gas particles. So these are the experiment. You can go through the activity and you can prove easily the particles of matter are constantly moving. Now number 3, when you burn an incense sticks, जब भी हम लोग घर में अगरबत्ती किसी कोना में हम लोग जलाते हैं तो फ्रेगनेंस वो तेजी से स्प्रेड आउट हो जाता है और हम लोग को वो फ्रेगनेंस, हम लोग को जो स्मेल, गुड स्मेल होता है, प्लेजेंट स्मेल स्टार्ट्स टू कम. व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हेन दिस इंसेंस स्टिक्स आर बर्न्ड, देन द फास्ट मूविंग एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स और द एयर पार्टिकल स्ट्राइक द इंसेंस स्मोक एंड इट स्प्रेड्स आउट क्विकली हियर एंड देयर in a room or wherever it is burned. Right? जब भी कोई स्प्रे करता है परफ्यूम्स, when somebody sprays perfumes in a corner of room, then definitely it reaches in the front also very easy, because the fast moving air molecules strike the fragrance particle and enables for a easy diffusion in the air. So these experiments and other experiments also can be collected to prove that the particles of matter are constantly moving here and there. Right? I think this topic has been cleared. Now our last topic is the particles of matter can attract each other. I told you earlier the particles of matter are made of many innumerable tiny particles and they have some molecular space. We have already discussed. Now it is time to discuss that they have some force of attraction in between these particles too. Means the tiny particles of matter has some force of attractions. दोनों tiny particles में कुछ force of attraction आपको feel चाहे prove हम लोग कर सकते हैं. उसी force of attraction को हम लोग बोलते हैं cohesion, force of cohesion और cohesive force भी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, और molecular force of attractions means the tiny particles has some force of attraction known as cohesive force or molecular force of attraction. Now this molecular force of attraction or the cohesive force maintain the rigidity of solid, means any rigidity of any solid materials. मतलब वो कितना सख्त है, कड़ा है, ये मेंटेन करता है उसका मॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. यदि किसी पार्टिकल्स में फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ज़्यादा है तो वो सॉलिड पार्टिकल सबसे ठोस कड़ा मीन्स इट बिकम्स हाईली रिजिड इन नेचर, काफी कड़ा हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग एक एग्जांपल शो कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, टेकिंग द शुगर क्रिस्टल्स means when you take the sugar crystal and when you represent these in a molecular or a particle structure, then it can be shown in this way, means particles काफी सटे हुए हैं, means एक दूसरे से लगभग linked है and in between these two particles they have the high force of attraction, so it does not flow, मतलब ये फ्लो नहीं होता है, मतलब अपना shape and size वो बरकरार रहता है due to the high molecular force of attraction in case of solids, but in a case of liquid it is a bit lesser than that of the solid, so liquids can flow due to the less molecular force of attractions in comparison to the solid materials, मतलब वो फ्लो कर सकता है बट फ्लो उतना नहीं करेगा जितना गैस कर सकता है। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग शो कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे मीन्स मॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इन केस ऑफ सॉलिड इज वेरी वेरी हाई। इफ यू टेक द सॉलिड एंड इफ यू जस्ट स्टडी द पार्टिकल्स इन सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस, then when you discuss about the term molecular force of attraction, this is found very very maximum or very very high in case of the solid materials. Moderate means very less, means lesser than the solids but greater than that of the gas. It means it is found in the liquid materials and very very least, means in case of the gases you will get very very least force of molecular force of attraction in between the two tiny gas particles. So I think up to this you might have been well clear, means what are the characteristics of the particles of matter. Number one, they are very very tiny or the very very small. Number two, they have some molecular space in between them. Number three, we discuss the tiny particles of matter are constantly moving here and there. And number four, we discussed the particles of matter can attract each other, means they have some molecular force of attraction in between two tiny particles. So up to this topic, dear student, I think you have been well clear.